Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, but it's an approach to eating that will revolutionize your dieting and liberate you to take control of your weight. It's basically a scheduling of when you eat your meals so that you get the most out of them. It's all about when you eat and not necessarily what you eat. Intermittent fasting is great for losing weight and not having to reduce your calorie intake to a ridiculously small amount. In fact, intermittent fasting can involve eating bigger meals during a shorter time frame, and it also helps maintain muscle, which is very important when it comes to staying trim. Intermittent fasting is a simple way to lose weight and maintain a healthy weight, and it's very effective, something that's rare to find when it comes to diet. So how does this miracle work, you may be yelling? Your body is in the fed state when it is digesting and absorbing food. The fed state starts when you begin eating, and it lasts for 3 to 5 hours as your body digests and absorbs the food you just ate. When you are not in the fed state, it's very hard for your body to burn fat because your insulin levels are high. After the fed state period, your body goes into the post-absorptive state. This is when your body is processing what you've consumed. This lasts until 8 to 12 hours after your last meal, which is when you enter the fasted state. Your body burns fat far more easily when it's in the fasted state, as your insulin levels lower. Because we don't enter the fasted state until 12 hours after our last meal, it's rare that our bodies are in this fat burning state. People who start intermittent fasting will begin to lose weight without cutting out the bad things in their diet, or lowering calories, or even exercising. Fasting puts your body in a fat burning state that you rarely make it to during a normal eating schedule. Intermittent fasting allows you to eat one less meal, which also means planning one less meal, cooking one less meal, and stressing about one less meal. It makes life a bit simpler. Scientists have long known that restricting calories is a way of lengthening life. From a logical standpoint, this makes sense. When you're starving, your body finds ways to extend your life. Intermittent fasting activates many of the same mechanisms for extending life as calorie restriction. In other words, you get the benefits of a longer life without the hassle of starving. The reason most diets fail isn't because we switch to the wrong foods, it's because we don't actually follow the diet over the long term. It's not a nutrition problem, it's a behavior change problem. This is where intermittent fasting shines because it's remarkably easy to implement once you get over the idea that you need to eat all the time. If you want to know more about intermittent fasting, then you should check out intermittentfastingdeciphered.com. They provide a no-fluff guide on the ins and outs of intermittent fasting. It helps you discover which format of intermittent fasting will best suit you, a guide on what to eat with meal ideas, information on exercise and fasting, and how to incorporate intermittent fasting into your life. There is a one-off fee, and if you are not satisfied after 30 days, you get your money back. So there's not much to lose there. The link is in the description below. If you found this video useful and would like to know more about ways in which you can improve your health, mind, body and soul, then please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel with notifications turned on. In the description you can find more links for programs, books and detailed information on better approaches to dieting.